Hi everyone, this will be a bookmark that I'm making in this video. I'll begin by folding my paper in half on the diagonal. Using the upper layer only, I'll fold this down to the bottom edge. Then I'll fold the corners over to the middle. Then I'll unfold and then fold this all the way up. Don't forget to do this on the other side. I'll pick this up to show you what's happening here. Inside is a little pocket, so these little corners get tucked inside. And done! Happy reading and happy folding! Hi, it's Isabella from Bizzi Art here. If you enjoyed this video, or you want to learn more about origami paper, or if you're looking for origami paper to build on your stash, come check out my website. I've got the link in the description down below. Have fun!